Hello, I'm Eonho Lim of AmberRoad. Uh, the global smart manufacturing operations and data analytics market is worth $23 billion and is expected to surge to $7 billion by 2030. To increase productivity, companies accumulate data and implement AI solutions comparatively. I also applied AI solutions for surface crack prediction while working as an engineer in one of the world's most prominent steel company. For your information, since cracks adversely affect quality and profits, my previous company spent $37 million a year to prevent cracks, and I wanted to solve the problem. However, the current AI solutions lack field knowledge and cannot reflect the complex correlation between data. Also, because it's trained with conventional AI modeling methods, considering the cold weather was the cause of the cracks, it told me to change the weather. It became solutions that were unacceptable in the field. Also, over time, the work environment gradually changed. The correlation between data also changed gradually. As a result, the prediction of the existing model was completely wrong. Eventually, the model was excluded from the field. It is my experience personally. This is why the failure rate for production after the POC stage is as high as 87%. To address these issues, let me introduce MinerReport. MinerReport is built on auto machine learning and machine learning operation algorithms developed from 8 years of experience in field AI project. Auto ML algorithm-wise, with the data collected from the field, the algorithm trains the model separately with controllable factors such as flow rate, temperature, and speed, and with uncontrollable factors such as seasonal changes and design requirements. The learning outcomes of uncontrollable factors help to categorize and quantify the intuitive know-how used to be passed probably only in the field. To achieve the best result, learning outcomes of control factors provide real-time optimal control guidance on each classification. Additionally, through the ML solution to readjust the correlation between data, the model is automatically retrained with user-defined intervals and conditions. Also, by visualizing the performance comparison between the retrained and past models, it becomes an efficient solution continuously. Compared to our competitors, differentiations are that we reduce solutions implementation time by more than 50%, POC period of less than a week, and provide the real-time control and model management system. With our solution, my previous company can predict surface cracks in real time and save $10 million annually. 33 solutions applied to my previous company site and increased the annual profit of $39 million. It became the milestone for launching our team as an in-house venture. Our business model is SaaS, on-premise, and consulting. Now, we are implementing solutions with 16 enterprises in 7 different manufacturing domains, including not only steel, but also secondary batteries, non-ferrous metals, electronic components, automobile, food, and gas. Based on this, we plan to achieve 21 contracts and $1 million in sales by the end of this year. And 600 global contracts and $30 million in sales by 2027. Since our incorporation in September last year, we have attracted a total of $700,000 in seed investment and are working on the TIPS program. And we will also close our pre-A round next month. Our team consists of 12 people currently, including myself, who have field knowledge. The ICT development team centered around the CTO, who was at the core of building the entire POSCO Group smart factory, and the data science team comprised of AI graduate centered around the COO. Lastly, our vision is to be the true partner for the manufacturing industry with field-centric AI solution. Thank you.